Good morning, everyone. This is another one of my videos from Jory's Auto Service. And what I want to discuss today is how important fluids are, especially oil. And what we have here is a 2005 Range Rover. Customer did not realize that they were driving on low oil and subsequently ran the car out of oil. Seems pretty straightforward when you look at the car and realize it's just a matter of coming under the engine here and opening the hood, obviously, and pulling this little simple dipstick. Sounds easy, sounds quick, but most people often forget and go too long. Thus the reason why we like to winterize and get the cars in early before a major catastrophe happens. And if you'd like to experience what that is like when the engine is deemed unfixable, this is what it sounds like. Sad, but unfortunately a little jurisprudence would have definitely saved this car. And thus, please, I advise everyone out there to please check your oil, check your antifreeze, and if you can't, bring it in and let us do it for you. Once again, have a great day and enjoy.